Hey guys, today we're taking a look at Orange Lake's Kate Barnes boat ramp, more widely known as Marjorie Rawlings Boat Ramp. This is the other boat ramp on Orange Lake and the one that hosts a majority of tournaments ran on this twin lake chain. The ramp is a two-lane boat ramp with a concrete divider walkway down the center leading to a small wooden dock. Due to the length of the dock and the width of the ramps, most people preferred beaching over docking to not block the ramp area while moving their vehicle. Overall, this ramp's in good condition with a few rough spots here and there, but overall good. Attached to the ramp is a very large, well-kept park area as well as a playground, a large pavilion area for group functions or gatherings. There's at least one fixed-place charcoal grill to cook out on, along with scattered concrete picnic benches around the park. There's also an area for trash and recycling, so if you're looking for a place to dump out your stuff after a long day on the water, they have it. In the park area, there's also a well-kept large bathroom facility that also has a water fountain if needed. Parking can be good to great here, boasting a large grassy area for trailer parking. If the reasonably hidden spot dividers are followed, there is no issues up to roughly 70 vehicles. There is also plenty of space for prepping your vessel for launch or trailering as well. Thanks for watching and be sure to like and follow to see more.